Today we're making scones. Check the description for the recipe. So let's get straight down to it. Right, first guys, we start off with the flour. We put this into a machine bowl. Now we add in our fat. Now give this a good mix round with your hand. Now get 2 hands into it and give it a good mix round. So what you want to be doing is making this really fine. It's right like this. The finer you get it, the better. Right, now what we do is get your liquids and start by putting your milk, eggs and sugar in. Now give this a really good whisk round. Now what you want to be doing is dissolving all the sugar. Now add a little bit of lemon juice and getting it all mixed in so it's really fine. Now we'll pop this onto the machine. Now we're going to mix this around for 1 or 2 minutes. Now start adding your egg in. Now you want to be adding your egg in over about 1 minute. The reason for this is so you can actually get a lot of the loose stuff off the bottom. So when you come to scraping it round, there isn't so much to get off the base. And it makes a nice smoother dough. Right then, we'll give this a scrape down. Try and get to the very bottom. Obviously, I know you're on a smaller machine than this, but it's exactly the same on your small machine. Now give this a mix round now. Now what we want to do, mix it for around about 1 to 2 minutes, just to make a nice smooth dough. Right, we're ready. Now we'll get this onto the table. Now what you want to do is split this into 2 parts. Now be very gentle when you're molding up. Just be nice and loose with it. Lighter the better. Now we're going to be rolling this out to around about 13 to 15 millimeters thick, or in old money, 1/2 inch thick. Use a cutter of 2.5 inches or 63 millimeters. And once they're done, give them a good brush off. Place them onto a tray. You want 12 on this tray. And keep a nice gap between them. Now what we're going to do is egg wash the tops. And this is a mixture of water and egg, just whisked up. Now after this, you want to be resting these for around about 15 to 20 minutes, just to recover. Now after 15 to 20 minutes, re-egg wash the top. Right then, you can get them into the oven. Now your oven temperature wants to be around about 450 Fahrenheit and it wants to be a solid heat. And you're going to be baking these from 12 to 15 minutes till they're nice and golden brown. Scones are ready. They're cracking. Yummy. I can smell them now. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and don't forget to check the description because that is where you're going to find your recipe. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!